yamo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie no eso dwumadie no ye hyase 5:30 nwum no a na ye de bemma ona ni tekote go nso di nkranhensem abro na edru ye sabre mu nso a kase no ti ahye no nso fama yensem no na ye betodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni mampani na na adodan kwa kufuado akopa ye foreign affairs anes eho entuma ye de bebro na afa ya body akọ atoyemantemu ni tichiu ni sekendi takrade ene ahanta west ene ise de korela no amma ne musu na ha de hye a won de agu fomo eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwadomonline.com ensem we ni bebre so ya tro ede egu ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie said ensem ni chiremu etie enu adagana yemampani na adodan kwa kufuado ene oswafo ya wo share foreign affairs so ne China ambassador wo my Ghana mu akopao eye foreign affairs won anes anatna ye kakra eho entoma dwumadi no adom kase ekoho etwasoe.
In recognition of the ministry's pivotal role, the Kufuor government is undertaking deliberate steps to strengthen its capacity. Notable amongst these initiatives is the establishment of the Foreign Service Institute, FSI, in August 2023. This landmark institution provides comprehensive training to Ghanaian and foreign diplomats, equipping them with critical skills in negotiation and policy formulation. It's gratifying to note that the Foreign Service Institute now offers French language programs, empowering diplomats to engage effectively on the global stage, especially within Francophone Africa and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, our unalloyed commitment to democracy has become a cornerstone of our national identity. The successful conduct of the presidential and parliamentary elections on 7 December 2024 stands as a testament to the resilience of our democracy.
Mayentwa kasiano so apomde adwuma efo ye wato emantemu ehunu se kola yade no amane muso no emu ohamu nchemu de okono nsia 96% de wona etunuana no enam won so ne titu ne vegetables of no enam so ama won de hye aguna kwan so sabaya yare no ebeba fom.
You know cases no amo me plan do so che me.
Okay, STM media say wa wonim say adwuma na public health entin sisi a ye bibia ade a obìnrin beka say mass disinfection exercise say na be ya ye betimi a break chain of infection na cause cholera no entin make control yi officers are on the field omo ye disinfection of communal container sites and then refuse sites, drains and homes now amount ebinimu ewu because of the cholera no and our homes now ya record the cholera cases maybe so that if there is any existence of bacteria in air water if no mu it me esiano
yato Adom kase no so nipa 524 yesha afia sedikosi October busumi no mu no enam kwanhia sunti se busuan papa yi wato nanano mo ensiedo ekwan so jojo campaign awareness driver and vehicle licensing authority any motor traffic and transport department Ghana police service e de ahyehyɛ so na wonde sansemi etudwa.
You know cases no amo me plan do so che me wo hwe January to October say 2024 Asante region 524 fatalities. What it to the whole country near 2038. It's Asante region take over 25% of road traffic crashes in the country. Then also death here 524 for the region January to October. See then also no you say a lot of sensitization and enforcement. You just say now you take road safety education sensitization. To enforcement you just say idea be boa be
yene empanifo ni binom so a ekasa dwumakwan ho eni nkomo na ye bisa empanifo enso se
bronye ye dis kwanso jojo ho hyehyɛ anaasɛ ho de ro ne yɛde nam ya yɛtwi kan no ɛyɛ asɛdeɛ sɛ bibia wɔ kan no ho bia ɛbɛma safety anaasɛ ahobambɔ anahwe nhyehyɛ no endi mu no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsesa no ebi yɛ tires ebi yɛ brakes ebi yɛ light ebi yɛ even wiper ɛwɔ anim na sɛ ebire bia nso tumi tɔ nti yɛfɛ no go items ɛwɔ bɔfo kasa mu sɛ bi ne oka mu ani kwan sɛ ɔyɛ den utu
mede yɛde Isaac K Nomanyo Adom Kaseɛ
Mayenko race course market no wo Kumase yara ho sampa ma adwadifo ya won ton fruit tissue watermelon nom ne ade agya tomato no areho na asefem Adom Kaseɛ kɔ ho etwaso
ye free haboko be for yekodu fi anaju be 9 eni eti ye free boy amane se ahesh ye bedu ye so na yampa eni ma pata be kansia ka ba ku bia 500 million ni na hye apata mienu de o mu ye coaster fridge akesia apple grapes ni na hye amfa ba kokora mo amani tua nti mada woroma mati yanka no abade a ehia mommoa
nenka se so na oche se de ekofa ejahihye ba ye de wo mu enya huye
ejahihye nde papa ni ekofie nti mi hu pa de ye kan se ye apata mienu a wo mu use light ebe firi ho de wada ha no se wo hu ye na transformer no di bob na gya no to hye hye ba bia aprofo no nti ehifiri aprofo no na kɔ store no na esu de ye nua na ahye afa ni nyina mi du ha 9:30 mi du akwa na mienu gina ha mi du ana esi mienu abanso na asante me anu gya ona mo sa akɔfa mienu ba mi gya na mienu nyina san ye anso na mema wa ha nyina sa tumiri ka kɔ ni sei ebubu nkrofo nsuo pipe mu di beboa ye
Yantoa Adom TV Badwam Kaseɛ no so na Benan Sanie ne yete yese Kwashiman cluster of schools no jadam tie ne huhu bi o social no so anom ne ade na yentie ene a edi akire no ne kafa ho
get to this place right now. We don't know what the MPP want to do before they leave power. Mo team in Kanyina region national obi ambra hasisia. Region national munyina mumbra hasisia. They are here and they have tempered with the bosses. So region national we are in power. Be here right now. We don't know what the MPP want from us.
Wasan semia hono Adom News in Central for ekopie mu ewo Kwashiman cluster of schools enipa bi mu a wo mo wa ye ne omo etwetwe nkomo no ebi ekire se
ende meton mo spaghetti ene fried rice anu na meton wo schoolendre numile na boys ni bi ba ha ba ne eni ma de be nti eni aranya na ewo wa ha ya bi nti eni se bi a mo be ya asole nti me ba sa mi ja okodai yeah, how much na me PS and mbehwe de park use ayes na mehu de me buy fire service kai kase mienu sia police for wa hadan ayese abepeja de ato papers ya moto aba papers moto wa bepeja de ato
Mampani ya to abayi no John Dramani Mahama nene odi ya wonimu wo hunu ne ye pa so omaye nwuma aban nwuma hododo no ano adamanyosem enti ebre no aso se wo se wosesemu ye niema ebemo magina brane no ayi wadwuma se de se fata nemum enya amanyosem nti ene wo ho kase no etwaso
personal relationship with, and you didn't abandon me. I thank you for that. And to say that the crisis we face goes beyond the tangible. What we see is the easier part. What we don't see is the more difficult part. We have a crisis in governance. The governance of our state institutions have all been bastardized. People don't follow procedures. People consider state enterprises to be their kingdoms and do whatever they want. How we bring all those ethics and standards back is not going to be easy. How we reform our state institutions, I mean, confidence and belief in our institutions is at the lowest. I mean, the judiciary, the parliament, the executive. How to bring the faith of Ghanaians back is not going to be an easy task. Faith in our democracy is down because our young people believe that our democracy doesn't work for them. It's not creating opportunities for them.
Sabeye na yenyina yebetumi akabom so man na ewiemu nsakraya hodo ene obade abobremu niema hodo bi enkoye betumi agina ne naso nti ene World Vision Ghana Faith and Development Unit no ayese ɛwɔ so obiara de ne ho agyi mu nsɔre no yɛfɛ mu di ɛwɔ se yɛyɛ na yɛtumi boa ma yɛnsase no yɛ kama na boa sɛntwerɛfo obiara ɔde to animu se nyina yɛnka mom ne yɛtumi mu a yɛnsase no yɛmɔ ho ban yi ɛso mfaso no yɛ bebree kaseɛ no ɛtoa so
yenim sɛ nsɔre no ɛwɔ dipeko bebree a ɔmudi ɔmachi na sɛ ɔmutimi ma ɔmahoɔden ɛkɔ nneɛma a yɛbɛyɛ sɛ na bɛyɛ yɛmpotempotem bɛte na onyame abɔdeɛ nso yɛtimi ahyehyɛ ne yia yɛgyidi sɛ ɛbɛma ewiase a ayɛhye ɛne nneɛma a ɛsɛ yɛnsase ne nneɛma no nyinaa esusanso pɛ bɛfiri mu aba nti yenim sɛ nsɔre no sɛ nipa kuo dɔɔso wɔ mu na asɔfo nso yɛ nipa a nyame ɛde ɔmo ɛdi anim sɛ ɔmo hwɛ yɛ so nti no sɛ ɔmo kasa nipa tie.
Research Fellow and Afri Director at the Mass Center for Religion, Environment, Science and Development, Ewo Akrufi Christola Institute of Theology, Mission and Culture, Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Yao Blasu, and so in some way, Etoninia Asofo Enim.
A church in Galamsey areas depend on the wealth of the operators. This is not hearsay. These are facts and figures from PhD results at Akrufi Christola Institute.
Mampani yato abama no. John Dramani Mahama sen chakra o de ne committee no ebeba won eba beboa na ndefo a ohane aduo no 120 day social contract no watumi aboam watumi adusa abotaye no ho a Adom kase etose.
So when 2020 ended, I was very confident, irrespective of whatever anybody said, that it was your time to come back to fulfill mandate and to finish your unfinished business. And I believe that by God's grace, who preserved you, kept you alive, and you didn't die, and you lived, and you are still here, will guide you, preserve you, and give you what it takes to move this nation according to his mandate to where he wants to take this nation to.
Omampani ya to ne so aba John Dramani Mahama enso ehye omobo pa se one womo ebeka bom eye religious missions no ene nsori efa no eye apomuden ene adesua enwonsem.
And so I'll soon inaugurate a committee that is focused on achieving the 120-day plan, and under it we have Operation Recover All the Loot. I'm happy you have expressed your support for it, because I do think that people must be held accountable. If you agree to accept the public trust, then you must account to the people who gave you that public trust. And so if we do this, it will make people think twice before they accept public office.
No, so na Adom TV, kasia na hana bema kwan na no pay DSC. Aseda na yawodia, omre no wada agye awode fam yenti. Wada roma twen yem biemwe. Ya wada bon krata no ha online de no so aye krado ne mfa nso mo. Midin de afia amankwa tamaklo. Ye kwaba.